be racing and working on EVSR in preparation for the 25 Hours of Thunderhill with NASA. Dale is doing the final bottom balancing on Blinky with a new pack, and we've got some experimental batteries that we're going to be trying to fit into some boxes, some other boxes. There's some boxes in the corner of the shop there, and we're trying a bunch of new stuff here. Because of the nature of what we've got to do at Thunderhill, we'll have as many as 10 or 11 packs all charging at the same time. We're going to do something we've never done before, which is charge outside of the car. So to do that, we have a crossover wire, which represents the crossover that's in the car, and then we put wires on either end, which gives us our charge port. And at the track, what we'll be doing is plugging into our charge port as we normally do. But right now what we're doing is we're plugging into our discharge cart, which is basically a resistive load so that we can draw down the batteries as we've otherwise described. We'll draw them all down to about 2.5 volts, and then we'll balance them from there. So turn the machine on, turn the fan on, turn the heaters on. And then we're just going to watch our voltage. When it gets down to about 140 volts or so, we'll take it off, and then we'll do the rest of the process manually. And while we continue to streamline it, it is a very labor-intensive and manual process, but it is the way that we keep our batteries reliable and strong. So we've got 3 out of 13 packs done, and we'll be at it for another couple of months. Keep watching, and we look forward to seeing you later.